Happy Stew Buddies. It's Monday. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. All this snow and ice is definitely making life interesting this morning. There's some pretty deep drifts in some of these guys' driveways and back roads, and we didn't get stuck yet, and I don't think we're gonna, but we're gonna keep blasting through them anyhow. Going to come up with all this stuff. I've been hauling goat milk and all kinds of stuff for these pet food companies for years, and now it looks like it might be coming to an end. But the way today's going, we're not going to sit and dwell on it. We're just going to continue to move forward. We got our goat milk about done hauled. Now we can go home and do our chores and feed goats and pigs. And come on, who's coming? Hey, come on. Now, both of you. Get out. No, we're not taking those goats. Same time. Come on, Mavis. Good girl. Really starting to wonder if these goats are ever going to give us kids. They're definitely holding off for as long as they can. Beefy, are you just so hungry, boy? Hungry boy. I had to stop and get a new bag of milk replacer this morning. We ran out last night. Our professional taste tester. I really wish you wouldn't do that, cat. Our two farm cats went and got neutered yesterday. Or spayed. Is it spayed or neutered, Sarah, for the females? I never know. We don't want babies, regardless. Local dairy farmer called me last night, Sunday night, and asked me if I can take one of his dead cows down to the animal veterinary laboratory to get tested for diseases. He's not sure why it died, so we're gonna go do that now. So the one thing I've learned in this farming venture that we've taken is no matter what, with livestock, there will always be dead stock. No matter how good you are, how well you take care of your animals. And the simple fact of the matter is, a good farmer shows respect and takes care of his animals, even in death. So Merv here, he had five dried off heifers die in the last week. He can't figure out why. When you're dealing with 1,800-pound animals, there's no other way to load them and move them around in a skid loader and chains. And it might not look the most humane way to do it, but it's the best way to do it. So Merv's a good farmer, if you ask me. I'm gonna take this cow down to the animal veterinary laboratory and get tested and see what they're dealing with, so they can hopefully prevent the loss of any more. The laboratory's a busy place this morning. I'm number 4 big delivery this morning, so I guess it's good for them, but bad for the farmers. Now we have 6 hours of driving time in this morning, and we can finally come home and eat lunch and get some stuff done around the house before it's the end of the day. Well, there's 2 more little peepers. Not sure how many more we're missing. I have to count them. See if we're still missing any, or we finally got them all back. These guys have made me feel like crap for the last few days, knowing that I lost them. I got some straw bales last year and last fall. A few of them had broken strings or were missing strings, so we're scraping the bottom of the pile now, filling barrels and putting bedding in for the animals. You big ogre! As you can see, the big ogre doesn't care about that fence. He just jumps over it. He's not trying to attack the ducks. He wants to be their friends and hang out with them. Eat poop.